After years of hard work, the golden years invite us to explore the world with new perspective and freedom. I'm Imam, and in this video I'll share essential travel tips for senior adventurers, so your journeys are safe, comfortable, and unforgettable. Packing light is key. It's about more than just convenience. It's about liberating yourself from unnecessary burdens. Think of it as curating your travel experience, focusing on what truly enhances your journey. Bring only essentials to conserve energy and reduce stress. Consider versatile clothing items that can be mixed and matched, minimizing the number of outfits you need to carry. Prioritize comfort and practicality over fashion trends. Use packing cubes. These are a game changer for organization. They not only compress your clothes to save space but also keep things organized and easily accessible. And roll your clothes to save even more space and keep things organized, preventing wrinkles and maximizing every inch of your luggage. Medications are your top priority. Never compromise on your health needs. Pack extra, accounting for potential delays or unexpected extensions to your trip. Keep them in original containers, ensuring they are easily identifiable and compliant with security regulations. And carry both physical and digital copies of prescriptions, providing a backup in case one is lost or misplaced. This is especially important when traveling internationally. Always keep vital meds and documents in your carry-on. This includes your passport, tickets, and any other essential paperwork. Never check them. These are items you cannot afford to lose or be without during your travels. A well-packed bag is your lifeline, ensuring you're prepared for any situation. It's about peace of mind, knowing you have everything you need within easy reach. Don't forget a list of emergency contacts, including family members, doctors, and local authorities at your destination. And a small first aid kit, equipped with essentials like bandages, antiseptic wipes, pain relievers, and any personal medical necessities. Smart packing means more freedom to enjoy your trip, allowing you to focus on creating memories and embracing new experiences without the burden of excessive luggage or the worry of forgetting essential items. Before you embark on your journey, it's wise to consult your doctor. This proactive step is crucial for ensuring your health and safety while traveling. Your doctor can review your current health status, taking into account any pre-existing conditions, and provide destination-specific advice tailored to your individual needs. They can also offer insights into potential health concerns specific to the regions you plan to visit. It's also essential to make sure your vaccinations are up to date. This is a fundamental aspect of travel health. Don't hesitate to ask your doctor about any potential health risks at your destination. Understanding these risks allows you to take necessary precautions and stay healthy throughout your trip. For those long flights, remember to use compression socks, and make sure to stretch regularly during the flight. These simple actions can significantly support healthy circulation and prevent discomfort. It's also a good idea to carry a medical ID card or wear a bracelet that lists any allergies and pre-existing medical conditions you may have. By taking these simple steps, you can ensure you're well prepared for adventure and adequately protected in case of any unexpected emergencies. Thorough preparation truly is the best travel companion, allowing you to relax and fully enjoy your journey. Choose accommodations with accessibility in mind. Ask about elevators, ground floor rooms, and bathroom safety features. Prioritize comfort and safety over flashy views or locations. Whether it's a hotel, Airbnb, or cruise, make sure your nest is easy to navigate. A safe, restful base gives you the energy to explore each day. True luxury is thoughtful design that meets your needs. Don't rush. Plan one main activity per day for deeper, more enjoyable experiences. Listen to your body and take regular breaks to rest and recharge. Stay hydrated and wear comfortable, supportive shoes. Savor the journey. Quality matters more than quantity. Slow travel reveals hidden gems and lasting memories. There's no race. Enjoy each moment at your own pace. The best adventures are those you truly experience. Take advantage of senior discounts on transport, attractions, and accommodations. Always ask. Organizations like 8ARP offer access to exclusive deals and perks. Use early boarding and request airport assistance if needed. It's smart, not a sign of weakness. Save your energy for the destination, not the airport marathon. Embrace these benefits to travel smarter and more comfortably. Age brings privileges. Use them to enhance your journey. Before you embark on your journey, take a moment to share your detailed itinerary with trusted family members or close friends. This simple act creates a vital safety net, ensuring someone knows your whereabouts and travel plans. Include flight numbers, accommodation addresses, and planned activities. Make it a point to check in regularly with your loved ones. A quick phone call, a short text message, or even a brief video call can provide reassurance and maintain that important connection while you're away from home. Let them know you're safe and sound and share some of your experiences. In today's digital world, a charged phone is your lifeline. Keep your phone charged and ready for use with a portable power bank. This ensures you can always reach out for help, access important information, or simply stay in touch, no matter where your travels take you. Utilize your smartphone for safety and navigation. Familiarize yourself with map applications and download offline maps of the areas you'll be visiting. This can be invaluable if you find yourself without internet access or in an unfamiliar location. When exploring bustling markets or crowded tourist attractions, take precautions to protect your valuables. Use a discreet money belt worn under your clothing, or opt for an anti-theft bag with security features like hidden zippers and slash-resistant materials. Cultivate a heightened sense of awareness of your surroundings. Pay attention to the people around you and the environment you're in. Trust your instincts. They are often your best guide in unfamiliar situations. If something feels off or makes you uncomfortable, don't hesitate to move on. Trust your gut feeling and remove yourself from any situation that raises red flags. Your safety and peace of mind are paramount. By prioritizing safety, you ensure that your travel memories are filled with joy, laughter, and unforgettable experiences, rather than unfortunate mishaps or stressful situations. A little planning goes a long way. Embracing smart and proactive safety habits allows you to stay connected with loved ones and feel secure throughout your adventures, empowering you to explore with confidence. Ultimately, travel is at its best when you feel safe, supported, and free to embrace the wonders of the world around you, creating lasting memories. The urge to explore never fades. Age only adds wisdom to the adventure. With thoughtful planning and a spirit of curiosity, the world remains full of wonders. Let your experience guide you, and let nothing hold you back. Pack your bags, follow these tips, and let your next journey begin.